Alright. Using backyard repair here. We are going to work on a Poulan today. Subscriber and friend of mine asked me to take a look at this for him. Whew. She's old. Take a look at this for him, see if we can get it up and running. As you can see, she's had some moisture. Get some mold. Lots of mold. Kind of dirty. Yeah, typical saw. Got our white bar, which is loose. It's for biting into the log so you can get some pressure on the bar, pushing down so it doesn't kick back on you. Anyway, we'll get her a couple things wrong. Here's the lock don't work. But we'll see if we can do something with it. He's sent another saw there in case I need parts. So at least there's parts off. Alright, I think we're going to pause here and we're going to clean this off a little bit before I catch something from it and or get sick, and we'll bring you back when we take the covers off. Alright, we got it cleaned off a little bit here. You're gonna grab yourself, looks like go ahead and get this cover off and take a look. See what we're working with here. Oh, she's a little rusty. Show you the heads of these screws and cover off. Well, there's two. Trying number 3. So far, so good. There's definitely been some moisture in from sitting around. All right. That's number 3. Filter's surprisingly clean. Show you them screws. Look at the heads of them screws. Can you see? Right there. That's pretty rusty. Jody gave me a good one here. The inside's really not bad. Filter's dirty. Air. You can see one problem already. Wires here are squashed right together. Cover had the wires were underneath the cover. Huh. What they run? It's the kill system. I wonder if they were melted right together. Grab a light. I think they were melted right together. We got things to order. We'll take this cover off and maybe get some shrink tube on them. Wow. Looks like this it was pinched right in the screw. What we'll do, get some spray and see if she starts. Choke works. Yep, choke is good. I think that's on. So, let's see what she does. You guys still see? There's a hole here. You know what? We're starting on the floor. Whoops. Tripod. Give her a couple of yanks. I just want to see if she'll pop. Alright, she popped off. That's good. I'm gonna get this cover off and check the card, make sure she's clean, make sure the lines are good. Like I said, you see this right here. Them lines were pinched good. I think they might have been stuck together. You might actually run. Well, let's see what she got in it, if anything. She's dry. Where's my light? Check in here, make sure. What the heck? It looks like everything. Oh, I'm thinking to myself, what's in there? Pieces to the gas cap. There's supposed to be a cable hook to this. It's inside. Now we're gonna get something to grab that out. It's almost straight oil in there. So we'll get you in there to see. Look down there at the bottom. It's straight oil. There's no fuel in there. It's just two-stroke oil. I was pausing and I'm gonna get that piece out. Alright, we're back. We got the piece out. Here it is. Right there. This hooks to the bottom of the gas cap here. She done fell apart. It's also the valve that keeps the fuel from running out. It's like a check valve. Yeah. It's a check valve too. So we get pushed back in here. Well, she stayed, but she's back on there. What we're gonna do, I think we might grab some besides turpentine, and I think I get some premix up there on the shelf. Let's throw some premix in here and see if we can get it to the top. Alright, let me push it. I gotta get around there. The table's right in the way. Alright, we got a premix here. A VP. Non-ethanol. So the mix is going to be a little off because there's some two-stroke oil in there, but it's not going to hurt it. Might smoke a little bit. Cap back on. Let's see if the primer's going to work. For some reason the filter doesn't want to drop. There we go. It dropped. Need more fuel. It's not picking up anything. The filter's not dropping down on the fuel. Alright, she's covered now. Just trying to see if the fuel's going to pump back into the tank here. To the primer. Sounds like it is. Yeah, well, can't do nothing but try. I was looking at this cap pretty good. You see, let's see. times. Oh, there she goes. I can hear it. Lock is stuck. Definitely dirty. Alright, we'll bring it back home and get some fuel pumping through this. Alright, we're back. We got our cover off, as you see. We got our air filter cover off. When we paused the camera, we swapped out, put a new plug in there, and we fixed this thing. I don't know, maybe we did. Did that fix it? I don't remember. Anyway, I think it's got a bad spring in here. Not a big deal. We can probably swap one out from the other one. See what we got here. And the right one. Trying to get this carburetor off, and we're going to check to see if it's dirty. Alright, there's that. Up. Up a 1/4 inch. Come on. The Poulan hook. Oh, the cable wraps around the bottom of this thing. Yep, I've looked at one of these before. Cable wraps, hooks straight to the bottom of the air filter. Can't remember how it comes off. Oh, it just slid in there. I'll bring a screwdriver out. I swore I had a flathead. Mr. Flathead! Alright, I lost it. Where's the toolbox? Oh, way over here. I swear this cable just slid off the back. I remember. If I can get it off, we can take a look at it out here. Well, this thing's a pain in the butt. You got everything hooked to this cover. That's where this thing popped off. I'm gonna break something. Get the cable off so I can take a look at it. There we go. Flip lever. Leave that. It looks like I can. Look at this cut, this holder here. I thought it just snapped in the back. Oh, we got wires running across it too. Alright, best to leave that alone. something else holding this carburetor on. Grab my light just to make sure. I've got rubber glue on top. There we go. So line in on this side, and line in on the other side. The mules get them off. One. There's two. There we have it. One curb. Yeah, line in on this side, and line in on this side. Well, one on this side. Oops. Put that over. One's the primer, and one's the return to the tank. Which I'm looking at this, and it looks like we have a leak. Checking the fuel lines to make sure there's no holes in them. Put my air gun. Oh, with my eyes. Just making sure there's no leaks. There's probably stuff I sprayed in the carburetor. Yeah, it looks okay. Make sure there's no holes. Alright, on this carburetor, check out the carburetor's on this side. This side's the primer, so it pulls fuel through this side, through the carburetor, out this side, and then back into the tank. Alright, let's check the fuel supply. Let me give me a rag. Cute stuff. They will run, but it won't run. It won't run for long, so it's gonna get a fuel delivery problem. Everything looks good. Let me check the two check flappers here. They look good. Screen is clean. I'll figure out a screen here and blow it out. This comes to the delivery tube. Looks good. Looks clean. Check the other side where it pulls it through. Just to make sure. Let's get the diaphragm and then needle valve that shuts on and off the fuel. Good there. Of course, Poulan's got a big boot in the way. So that means you have to take off the whole adapter plate just to if they make it any more difficult. You gotta take off the adapter plate and they put special screws in there. Awesome. Check these out. Look at them screws. Never seen nothing like that. Alright, hang on, I'll pause you. I'm gonna bring it back when I find a screwdriver. Alright, we found one. So the screwdriver I bought to work on the carburetors for the Japanese motorcycles. Actually, it's from Japan. They have the motorcycles have a different pitch to the tip than the American one. So I bought a special one, and it'll fit. I can't believe that they put this adapter put it on here. So how's that for? Oh, the top is the throttle and the bottom's just a joke. Stupid. Can't be like everybody else and just leave it alone. Here you have it. Let's check the needle and see here. Oh, it's got fuel. Doesn't smell like good fuel though. Whew. Wonder if there was a boiler in the fuel system that was stuck in here. It actually it wouldn't run on that. And when you put on choke, it's bypassing it. So. Sure. You're working here. Keep working. Get me a little car cleaner, spray that out. Oh, where? She's pulling there. Could be a jet too. We're gonna check it out real good here. Oh, where's my screws? Check the jets too. Count the turns. Spray them out. Make sure the tips are clean. Swap out the fuel line, but if you watch my video on the last pull, well, you have to go back quite a few. The last pull line I fixed, it took me, I'm gonna say an hour, alright, 45 minutes to an hour a piece just to get the fuel line back through these little holes down here in the bottom. It's just ridiculous. Flapper back on. Right. Yep. Just making sure it was in the right orientation. Hate to put it on upside down and have to take it all back apart again. I don't like the system it's got for taking in fuel. Alright, where you at? Not even close. Think to myself, man, this screw is long. Look at the holes here for the mount, when we mount back to the engine. Where they lined up. There's nowhere close. Man, that's really rough. Alright, all these teaching non-adjustable. Yep, we're not messing with them. The ones you're not supposed to be able to take. Alright, see what we got. Throw it back in here. Cracks. We're checking the plastic intake there to make sure there's no cracks yet. Slide that back on. Fuel line should be flowing. one's on. Where's this one? This one looks like the phone. Come on, light. Show me the light. There we go. This is still phone fuel. Button. This is still phone fuel. Well, let's do the other fun trick. Still working. Got the torch back on. Supposed to be two little plastic buttons on the side here with a notch on, and then there's two plastic buttons, and then they got little arms that stick out, so you can't turn them any farther than you, because the arms hit together on the high and low. So the arms hit together, you can't turn them any farther than they sell them at. Somebody pulled the buttons off, so I can't turn them. Most of the time, it's not cost effective to fix these carburetors anyway. They're so cheap anymore. I was just buying a carburetor, but then you weigh in the saw too. Is the saw worth putting another carburetor on? If you need it, of course it is. But if it's just a saw that's hanging around, backup saw, somebody gave you the saw, probably not. Get the saw on clearance at Walmart. End of the season, probably $100, $125. Oh, I forgot to put this lever back on. Supposed to put this on before the cover. It's supposed to stick out here. Put on afterwards. We're gonna be back. I gotta take this back apart. Alright, we're back down here on the floor because the reason I pulled it on this table. Let's give her a shot and see if it does anything. Choke on. Choke off. Priming it up. I can hear fuel. Again. Choke back on. Still a fuel problem. Trying to start. We got a fuel issue. I'm not sure where it's at. I guess it's in one of these jets. So it stinks, you can't adjust them. Alright, instead of having you watch me pull this like 30 times, let's see if I can get it fire up. I gotta fix this anyway. Gotta pull the screws and put the spring back on. Alright, we'll be back in a minute. Alright, here we go, folks. We're back. We discovered the problem. Yeah, broken keyway. Unfortunately, the cheaper sauce, the keyway is built right in. Built right in the flywheel. It's sheared right off. It was out of time. It would have never started. So we spun over with the drill. It's right here. It was spitting splatter, but it kept popping. So we determined that take off the flywheel, boom, the key was sheared. Thank God my buddy that sent this over for me to fix for my channel, so I know the parts on with it. Now I'll pull the lever. This, flip it back down. He's a little oil adjustment, but I'm not sure how you do that. It's right here. Too big. Oops, work. A little more. One more. There you have it. She runs. Needs a little tweaking, but she runs. One thing we got left is to fix the spring. We're gonna bring you along for that too. What the heck? Find me the bit that fits it. I put it back on once, but I'm thinking the spring is broken, but again we have a part saw, so didn't have the handle snapped in. It's out on the bottom. I wonder if that's what it left it didn't close tight, so the spring slithered back over. Yep, I bet you that's what happened. I didn't see the hook on the bottom of the plastic part for the handle. Alright, spring's still in. The bottom part's got a hook in the bottom here. There's where the problem was. Aha! I think it was bound up. We got a little spray here. WD-40. There you go. Before I go put this all back together, a little spray on it, make sure she runs smooth. It's got a little pin here, it goes in a socket, so we'll get a little WD-40 on there. Make sure she runs smooth. Come on. Hook the bottom, slide it over, drop it down. And the screws back in. See if the safety lock works better. Got somebody got broken on purpose. You gotta be going. Great, it's gonna fix the safety. I wish these cars were adjustable. You get the holes there for adjusting, but no way to adjust them. Tight. That was tight. Now it's working right. Now she's working right. If the other one's got adjusters on. Yeah, let me pause you. Let's see if the other one's got adjusters on. Nope, it doesn't. Like I said, these are on. There's some companies I think make a special tool that's got the spline in the end of the bit is hollow. It's got the spline in there so you can put them on there and turn them, but I don't seem to have one. Anyway, there you have it. She runs. To clean her up a little bit. Give her a little spit shine. But anyway, there you have it. She runs. Sorry about the sun in the background. Let's see if I can stand it. She runs. Joe will be happy. He can give it back to his dad. I'm running saw. Like I said, it's a Poulan, so it's not the greatest saw in the world, but it'll cut. If it was me, I'd probably swap that bar and chain off that other one onto this one, but that's now I'm gonna send his he told me I can keep the parts saw, but I don't need to keep it, so I'll send it back to him. Maybe he might hang on to it just for parts for this. Anyway, you found anyone useful, which I don't know if you did or didn't, because we kind of just shot around in the dark here until we figured it out, and just a timing issue. You know, garbage clean, check that all out, check the lines out, check the flow make sure the primer was pulling the fuel to the fuel line, because that's how it works. It pulls it to the one with the filter on it, and then puts it through the carburetor and then back into the tank until the carb's full. So that's how it works. So we checked all that out. So it was working. Swapped out the flywheel, put some Loctite on the nut so it wouldn't back off, and hopefully she's good to go. Anyway, like I said, like, share, subscribe if you would, please. You can check me out on Instagram, and also check out, I have a Facebook page. Post pictures of parts, projects, funny videos, Drift Girl, if you've been checking it out. Drift Girl's on there. Just good stuff. Anyway, y'all have a good day, and peace.